JetBlue is an airline known for reasonable prices, especially if you are willing to sit in the back of the airplane. But what is the back of a JetBlue airplane really like? On October 7th, 2025, the Broward County Sheriff's Office was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that passenger.
Quick synopsis, what's going on?
Yeah, very quickly. About 2 hours ago, we had one of our customers who became quite belligerent and physical with us. She would not calm down. We detected she's been drinking heavily before she got on the plane, and we didn't detect until about 2 hours ago. We're suspecting there's other medication that she's been using, and so she became very physical. We did have to restrain her. We did use the flex
Did anyone
cuffs.
get hit or anything?
No, she pushed me a few times and grabbed us and grabbed our legs a few times. But we did put flex cuffs on her. She is present.
All in the back?
All in the back.
I'm going to need to talk to you later on.
Okay.
Let's just go back there and we'll let everybody disembark.
Okay.
Have her stay on the plane until everybody gets
Oh, you want everyone off first?
Everybody wants to talk first? Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's bullshit America. What she have? What she have? Nothing. What you have?
Everybody go. Let them go.
What you have? Very short. Anesthesia. Open. I know. No. I cannot feel my arm. Please open my fucking arm. I cannot fucking feel my arm. Please open fucking my arm. I.
Actually quite normal.
Yes. Open. I ask you open. I am fucking ask you open. I am fucking studio. I am American. I am fucking studio.
I don't know any.
I am studio. Yes, you can check. I'm American. I am fucking studio. Open the arm. I fucking not feel. No, I am not feel my arm. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm not feel my arm. I'm not feeling my arm.
All right, people, y'all can get up and get your stuff and get off the plane.
Yes, I killed someone. I killed someone.
Thank you all very much.
I killed someone. I killed someone. I fucking shoot. Hey, you relax. Fuck American woman. Fucking open. I fucking cannot feel. Can you excuse me? I don't feel my arm.
Trading the code. We moved her back there. We had to handcuff her.
The whole time?
5 hours.
Oh my god! Oh!
She's on the
Can you open fucking my arm?
She doesn't smell like alcohol.
Can you open my arm?
To you, Patrick? Yeah. Let's start over.
Okay. Well,
From what you
first thing started
ascertained.
with, she came on. We gave her 2 drinks. She was fine. She was talking to us. She seems normal. She came back here. She was talking. I went out to the front there. She was talking to to Susan. And I don't know if she went into the bathroom or not. I can't confirm that. But
Something
it
set her off.
then she started to get loud. So we put
I'm fucking do everything for America.
Yeah, she goes up and down.
Let's
go, people. Get your stuff and go.
My spy. Take my phone. I'm Russian spy. Kill me, blood.
What can we use for?
I don't have we have people here.
I was what for Trump, and you did the right. What? What the fuck? Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off.
We're gonna take a ride to the hospital, okay?
I'm American. Take it off. I'm American. Take it off. Take it off. I'm American. Everything in my
No
phone.
kicking,
Everything in my phone.
The next thing is tasing if you kick.
Everything in my phone.
Okay? I don't want to hurt you, so just stay
I'm
calm.
American.
The only reason we put this on because you were spitting, okay?
Take
Now
it
it's gonna-
off.
no,
Take it
We're
off.
gonna take it off in the
I
hospital.
cannot
okay?
breathe. I cannot
You're
breathe.
not thinking
I
clearly right
cannot
now.
breathe.
You can calm
I
down.
cannot breathe. Take it off. Take it off. I cannot breathe.
Until we get to the hospital,
I said,
okay?
take it off. Okay,
Everything
take
is
me.
fine. No one's trying to hurt you.
Okay, take
We're
it
gonna
off.
take it to the
Take
hospital,
it
you
off.
get
I
some
was
help.
in hospital. I was fucking studying in hospital. Take it off.
Leave it on for now.
Take it off. I was studying in hospital here too. Take it off, I said. Take it off, I say. I fucking America. Take it off, блядь. Педрила, блядь. Take it off, I say. I was studying here fucking to medical school. Fucking take it off. Take it
Get
off.
some help, okay?
Yes, take it off. I won't breathe.
calmer
I
you
won't
stay,
breathe. I won't
the
breathe.
safer
I
all of
won't
us
breathe.
are,
Take
okay?
it off.
You tried to
I
spit,
will
I'm
be have
sorry.
now issue.
You tried to spit.
I know. I go to my nephew.
It's only
I
a
want
spit
to
mask.
get
It's
my
gonna
nephew.
hurt you, alright? You're
Never
not
do
thinking
the
clearly
contact.
right now. Everything is
She's biting her
fine.
lips.
Take
You're
it
gonna
off.
see some nice
Take
doctors.
it off. Take
And
it
they're
off.
gonna
Take it off, please.
She's got blood in
Take
her.
it off,
Everything is-
please. Take it off, please.
It's
No,
okay.
no, no, no,
You're
no,
having a bad
no.
day.
You can. You need to open this. Never. I'm never cheat America. Even now, I go to fucking Russia. Never. I fucking say.
She's not thinking clearly.
No, my message. I'm proud to be American. You can read my own message. I am American. No,
we're leaving.
yeah, you can give me
We're leaving,
that.
Anastasia. We're not gonna hurt you. You can hit it for me. You gonna walk, Anastasia? Thank you. Alright. We're gonna walk out, okay?
Where is my stuff?
We're gonna, your purse and stuff is right here. See the purse? We're gonna grab your bag. Come on, turn back around. Turn back around.
Can you give
We're gonna get everything.
No, can you give me a little bit space?
We're gonna give you
cannot-
everything.
I cannot feel my arm. Please, please. I'm not feel my arm. Really, I cannot.
Okay, come on, let's walk.
Oh my God, my love, America, you can see my arm.
Guys, close the cockpit.
I'm here. I'm proud to be here.
I want you to close
I
the
love
cockpit
you.
door.
Can see it.
Almost there.
I'm just not kill me. But then my neck is a lot.
Relax,
Oh,
relax.
no.
Take a step. Watch your step. There you go.
Oh, I love you so much. You go to make it so proud.
Bags right there, Anastasia.
Yeah.
Bags right there. There you go.
What you can say? What you can say?
Thank you, guys, for everyone.
Baby, what you can say?
Viral, huh?
What you can say?
Clean all my stuff out. I'm like, this is probably gonna be a bad one. Can I make it without her falling? Nah, I don't know. Come on, Anastasia. Come on, Anastasia.
Won't kill me. But mommy. Ow!
Seat's clear.
Okay,
I just cleared it out before I came in.
can you open the door, please? Ow!
Pat her down.
Oh!
Yeah, she has one.
Ow!
Come on.
Ow! I'm alone.
She's not on the rim.
Let me get the.
It's gonna be a day crash anyway. They're gonna strip it.
Let me get the sit up. Yeah, but just in case.
Yes.
Can you open my face, please? I can. No, I won't.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.